Hello everyone. Today we will see how to select using if in MySQL. Select में if कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, if कंडीशन को कैसे यूज करना है वो हम आज देखेंगे. सपोज हमारे पास कोई डेटा है, वो डेटा में सपोज वी हैव इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट, लाइक द रिजल्ट ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट वी हैव, मार्क्स ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट वी हैव, और उस मार्क्स में से हमको ऐसे डिराइव करना है कि कितने पास है और कितने फेल है. इफ यू वांट टू गिव लेबल टू दैट डेटा, देन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस वी कैन यूज इफ in select statement. Fine. For example, suppose I am having some data of salary of an employee, and I want to categorize whether the salary is above this range, whether the salary is below this range. हमको कुछ कैटेगराइज करना है, कुछ लेबल्स देना है, तब जाके हम इफ कंडीशन का यूज कर सकते हैं. तो फिर वो यूज कैसे होगा, उसका सिंटेक्स हम देखते हैं. लेट अस सी द सिंटेक्स फॉर दैट. सो द सिंटेक्स फॉर दैट विल बी सिलेक्ट if, and in bracket we have to provide three arguments. The first is the condition, the second is this the true, and the third one is false. Now this true represents if this condition is true, then in that case this the MySQL will return this result. If the condition is false, then the MySQL will return this result. Fine. So first we will have condition, after condition we will have true. If the condition is true, then it will generate this. If the condition is false, then this will generate this. And then from table name. Fine. Before if condition and after if condition we have various columns also. Fine. So this one is the basic syntax for the if condition in case of MySQL. So let us see the example of that. See, I am having one table that is called employee, and in that employee table I am having some data. हमारे पास एक टेबल है employee. उस employee टेबल में बहुत सारा डेटा है. उसमें से एक कॉलम है एम्प्लॉई सैलरी. अभी एम्प्लॉई सैलरी को हमें कैटेगराइज करना है कि अगर एम्प्लॉई की सैलरी 50,000 से ज़्यादा है तो दिस विल बी इन कैटेगरी ऑफ हाई सैलरी, एंड इफ इट इज़ लेस देन 50,000 देन इट विल बी इन कैटेगरी ऑफ लेस सैलरी. फाइन. तो ज़्यादा होती है, 50,000 से ज़्यादा है तो वो हाई लेबल देगा उसको. 50,000 से कम है तो उसको लोअर लेबल देना है और लेस लेबल देना है. फाइन. सो लेट अस सी द क्वेरी फॉर दिस. सो द क्वेरी विल बी लाइक सिलेक्ट. with that I am going to take some attributes or some columns also. Say employee first name, employee salary, and now I'm taking if condition. Say if EMP salary greater than 50,000. Now the second argument will be if this one is true, then what we want to display, what we want to return. फाइन. सो अगर ये कंडीशन सच होती है तो हमको क्या दिखाना है, हमको एट्रीब्यूट में ऐसा दिखाना है हाई. फाइन. और ये कंडीशन फॉल्स होती है तो हमें वो कॉलम जनरेट होगा, उसमें क्या रिटर्न करना है. सो दिस वन इज गोइंग टू रिटर्न लो. फाइन. एंड देन द ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट. फ्रॉम टेबल नेम इज से एम्प्लॉई. फाइन. So let us see the result of this. Let us click on the go button. So when I'm going to click on the go button, it is generating some result. The result is like see, if the salary is more than 50,000, then in that case it is going to label it as a high. If the salary is less than 50,000, then it is going to label it as a low. Fine. So here the salary for GTN, the salary is 45,000. So in this case it is labeling it as a low. Fine. Same way for Avni the salary is 42,000, so it is labeling as a low. Fine. Now we can so this is the demonstration of if condition in MySQL, in specifically in select query. Now we can also have nested if conditions, like हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि if condition के अंदर भी दूसरा एक if condition ले सकते हैं. Fine. For example, I want to categorize this data in 3 categories. Fine. High, medium and low. अगर सैलरी 50,000 से कम है तो उसे हम लो बताएंगे. अगर सैलरी 50 से 60,000 के बीच में है, if the salary is in between 50 to 60,000, then in that particular case we'll display it as a medium, and if the salary is greater than 60,000, then in that case we'll represent it as a high. Fine. So let us see how we can do that. So right now I'm having the if condition. I'm going to modify this. Fine. So let me change the way of representation. Say if the employee's salary is less than 50,000, then I'm going to represent it as a low. Fine. If this one is true, if employee's salary is less than 50,000, then it will be represented as low. Now in case of false, I have to add one more if condition. So it will be like if, then in bracket I have to provide condition employee's salary greater than 50,000 and employee salary less than 60,000. Fine. So if this one is true, then I have to written medium, and if this one is false, then I will written high. Fine. So now I have categorized the data employee's salary in 3 parts. The very first is what? If it is less than 50,000, then it is low. If it is in between 50 and 60,000, then it is medium, and if it is greater than 60,000, then it will be high. Fine. So let us see the result of this. So the result of this will be 3 different categories. Don't know, having some error. Let me go through this. Okay, so there is an error in the bracket. The bracket should be over here at the end. Fine. So let us go through this. Okay, fine. So now I got the result. The result is high for more than 60,000. Now here you can see for Aman the salary is 57,000 and the label is medium. Fine. For Jiten the salary is 45,000, so it is low. So this way you can use the if condition. ऐसे हम if condition को select में use कर सकते हैं. Fine. So I hope you like this video. If you really like this, then please share it, comment it, and please don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you very much.